Happy birthday to you, Vicky. Wish you long, happy, and healthy life. Enjoy your day. Enjoy every moment. Miss you, Benny.
Hi, wish you a very happy birthday to dear Vicky Bangaji, a great personality indeed. We are happy to have you as a friend. We wish you a very happy, healthy, wealthy life. God bless you. Keep rocking, keep smiling. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Vicky.
Happy birthday, Vicky.
Many happy returns of the day. परमात्मा ਤੈਨੂੰ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖੇ, ਤੇਰੀ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਕਾਇਮ ਰੱਖੇ।
And ਸਾਡੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਸ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਤੇ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ ਆਈ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਬਿੰਨੀ ਜਲਦੀ ਤੋਂ ਜਲਦੀ ਵਾਪਸ ਆਏ and you are together soon. God bless you.
See you
soon. Bye.
Vicky Baji, many happy returns of the day. Wish you all the goodies in life. Basically, I love you for 3 C's. First is the way you carry yourself, that is amazing. And second is caring attitude you have. And third is compassion towards life and society. Though we have met late in life, but it has been amazing and we are privileged to have you as our friend. In short, Baji, ਤੁਸੀਂ said.
Hey uncle, happy birthday. We love you so much. We really love you so much. Thank you for celebrating every little joy with us. और अगर हम भूल भी जाते थे कुछ सेलिब्रेट करना तो शाम को घर पे निक्का केक लेके आने के लिए बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स हम सेलिब्रेट कैसे नहीं करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर ऑलवेज बीइंग देयर फॉर अस. और जब हम भूल जाते थे कि आप हो वहाँ पे तो फोन करके डांटने के लिए कि बेटा सुबह से फोन क्यों नहीं करा. वी लव यू सो मच और हम बहुत सारी पार्टी करेंगे. चलो.
Hi everyone. There are no words in any language to describe our love and respect for you. I had heard a lot about guardian angels and after having met you, I think we found one. So wishing you a very happy birthday and special prayers to God to give you strength to be able to take my tantrums on all weekends because you have not opened Satwa for me till now. And remember one thing more. After this birthday, because this we cannot celebrate, after this birthday, every weekend there is going to be a party और मैं 11 बजे घर नहीं आऊँगी. Happy birthday.
बार दिन ये आए, बार दिन ये गाए, बार दिन ये आए, बार दिन ये गाए. तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Vicky, happy birthday to you.
गाइस नमस्ते. आज विकी पाजी का बर्थडे है तो मैंने सोचा कुछ विकी पाजी ऐसा हो जाऊं. एक घड़ी डाल ली मैंने, कोट पहन लिया, टाई भी पहन ली और शूज़ भी पॉलिश कर लिए. और इसको क्या कहते हैं समझ में नहीं आता. खैर जो भी है ये भी डाल लिया मैंने. तो फिर आज का मेरा क्या प्रोग्राम है. फिर मैंने 10:30 बजे खरड़ जाना है, फिर उस बाद मुल्लापुर जाऊँगा और उस बाद डेरा बसी जाना है. फिर मैं वापसी में फिर 7:30 बजे मेरी एसएसपी के साथ मीटिंग भी है. 7:30 बजे एसएसपी के साथ मीटिंग करके फिर नाडा साहब होके आके फिर एक ड्रिंक लगाते हैं. चीयर्स विकी पाजी. कीप मूविंग, कीप रॉकिंग. यू आर मस्त. चलते रहो, इसी का नाम जिंदगी है. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. गॉड ब्लेस.
यारां दा यार विकी मेरा यार जीवे 11 साल. हैप्पी बर्थडे विकी.
Happy birthday to a man who is a pillar of strength for all of us. Happy birthday to a man who is always caring, affectionate and loving. Happy birthday to a man whom we can always bank upon for everything in life. तुम जियो हजारों साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday, Vicky VG. We all love you.
सत श्री अकाल
विकी वीरे,
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू
with all the happiness, satisfaction, good health and peaceful life ahead.
And I tell you one thing, you have some connection with me in the earlier age also.
No, he's wrong. He's wrong. Vicky Veer, some connection nahi. He has some connection with me. He has lots of connection with you before
जिथे
this
जाओ
and after.
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਇਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਭਰਾ ਹੋ। ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਨੰਬਰ 2 ਡਰੈਸ ਕੋਡ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਮ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ। ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਤੂੰ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਕਿਸ ਮੂਡ 'ਚ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਸੋ ਕੁਛ ਨਾ ਕੁਛ ਤੇ ਠੀਕ ਠਾਕ ਆਪਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣਦੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਜਿੰਦੇ ਰਹੋ, ਲੰਬੀਆਂ ਉਮਰਾਂ ਬਣਾਓ, ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਹੋ ਐਂਡ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਦੋਸਤੀ ਔਰ ਇੰਜੋਇਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੀਏ।
And you know Vicky Veer, ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਦੋਸਤੀ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਰਹੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸੁੱਖ ਦੁੱਖ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਆਪਸ 'ਚ ਵੰਡ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ। God bless.
ਚਲੋ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ।
Hi, a very happy birthday, dear Vicky. It's a very important day of your life, and we all are trying to make it special for you in our very special ways. Distance doesn't make a difference as long as the hearts are united. We love and we care for each other, and that is which is most important. Today, I take this opportunity to share a few of my emotions with my whole family. You are the husband which everyone wants. You are the father which each kid loves. And above all, you are a friend that no one else has. You work throughout day and night to make every one of us happy. We just love you for the way humble and the humble human being you are. Love has no ends and no boundaries. You are there with me in every thick and thin and always standing by my side whenever I need you. There are 3 words which according to me goes very well with your personality. Those are the aspirations, the inspiration and admiration. You aspire every day to get more, to remove more out from the life, and that is a very positive thinking. This way you have that streak for you to go ahead. You inspire all of our children. Every child just wants to work the way you are. The way you manage your daily life, it's an inspiration and the kids should learn from you. And the last word is admiration, which I and all the family has for you. We all admire for who you are. In any small, if I have a very bad day, I know that day, okay, if at the end of the day you are going to support me, and that is what makes me go through that bad day. Your love and your support is the most precious thing which I am having with me. I am blessed to have a husband like you. I have no more words. And I can only say one thing is that you can look into my eyes and you will get the answer for what you're looking for. A very happy birthday and love you, my dear. Have a blessed life ahead.